Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. Yes, I'm back with another new build home tour, and this time it's again a new builder, new designs, and new architecture. Some of the interiors and kitchen ideas are amazing. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This particular property which I'm going to share today is a 4-bedroom detached house. It's got 3 different floors. There is the ground floor, first floor and second floor. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor we have a spacious living room, kitchen with dining, utility and a water closet. In the first floor we have 3 medium-sized bedrooms with a common bathroom. And in the second floor we have the master bedroom with Ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, towards your left side there's the living room and right side there's a small toilet. That's for the ground floor. And in the front you have the staircase and also at the back the living and dining. Now first we'll begin with the living room. The living room is bright, beautiful and very spacious. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily along with the TV set and few cupboards. The windows in the living room are extended towards outside so that the space inside is maximized. Again, this is the beauty of architecture. This is all about the living room. Now moving towards the other rooms. As you enter the house, towards your right side, there is a small washroom in the ground floor. This has got a decent space. There is also good ventilation in here and the mains of the house are in this washroom. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining spaces of the house. This is one of the beautiful and best kitchens I've seen so far. The reason I call this the best kitchen is some of the traditional ideas have been included in this, which I've seen in my childhood. Like most of you, if you remember, in the Kerala traditional houses, you have this top ceiling covered with glass windows. We used to have it in our granny's place. So those kind of small things have been included in this kitchen. Apart from that, it's a very spacious square-shaped kitchen with all the modern modular facilities on one side and dining space on the other side. You have the window for bright light and ventilation on this side and also the French door opening and the garden access on the other side. It's well planned and well designed kitchen. The space in between the kitchen also is quite decent for 2 to 3 people to stand and move around. It's very comfortable and designed very well. The dining space is again quite decent. A big table with 6 chairs fits in easily and you have plenty of space to walk around. You also have a French door access to a small and beautiful garden which is fenced around, but at the moment we are not exploring the garden. There's again a small utility room at the side of the kitchen, and the washing machine is fixed inside this. You also have the boiler in this utility. This is all about the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor of the house. As I told you, in the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with 1 common bathroom. So let's explore the first floor. To start with the smallest room, this is the smallest bedroom in the house, and it can be used as a storeroom or study, or if you're working from home, you can use it as an office space. It's got a window and a decent space so that a study table and a cupboard can fit in. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. This has got a decent space, a double cot fits in easily, and you also have inbuilt shelves in this. There are windows on the other side and there's plenty of light and air movement. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is again a medium-sized bedroom. A double cot can fit in easily, and you have space to walk around. In this room you don't have inbuilt shelves. The window is on the other side and the air movement and the light is quite good. As I told you, in the first floor you have these 3 medium-sized bedrooms, and the main master bedroom is on the next floor, the second floor. This is all about the third bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the common bathroom. This common bathroom has got a decent space. You have the bathtub, water closet, and also walk-in shower. There is a window on the other side, so good ventilation and light is there. Whenever I say the bathrooms are spacious and big, most of my friends from US and other countries, they keep commenting that the bathrooms in their countries are very big. I can understand, but this is all about UK bathrooms. This is all about the first floor. Now moving towards the second floor of the house. Most of you might have not seen these kind of properties with 2 different floors. So in this, the topmost floor is the master bedroom, and they took maximum space to make this one particular room and also the attached bath with ensuite facilities. It's very beautifully designed. Because of these 3 slanting windows, the room looks very bright and beautiful. There's plenty of light. The inbuilt cupboards with glass doors are given on both the sides with the partition in between for the bathroom door. They're very spacious. Now moving towards the attached bathroom. This is again a decent bathroom with a good space and proper ventilation. You have the ensuite facilities, closet, and also the wash basin. And the space is also quite okay. Now as you come out of the master bedroom, towards your right side in the front there is a small room, and inside this room you have the water heater. This was all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.